Welcome to Tiny Tales. Let's learn together.
A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball that bounces on feet. C is for cat who loves to play. D is for dog, barking all day. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish, swimming along. G is for grapes, purple and round. H is for hat, you wear it around. I is for ice cream, cold and nice. J is for juice, a fruity slice. K is for kite, flying high. L is for lion, with a loud cry. N is for monkey, climbing a tree. N is for nest, for birds to be. O is for orange, juicy and bright. P is for penguin, dressed in white. Q is for queen, wearing a crown. R is for rabbit, hopping around. S is for sun, shining in the sky. T is for train, going by. U is for umbrella on rainy days. V is for violin, with music it plays. W is for watch, ticking on your hand. X is for xylophone, music so grand. U is for yo-yo, up and down. Z is for zebra, striped black and brown.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.